Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we're going to install a gutter splash guard. So let's dive in. So guys, today the reason I'm installing this gutter splash guard is because this other top gutter right here will get full when it rains a lot and will run down my roof and then start trying to fill up this gutter, and it will sometimes come too fast, and as you can tell, we have some water stains right there. So what we're going to do to help stop that and help mitigate that is actually put one of these gutter guards up there, and so it's going to help stop that water and run it back into the other gutter. So once I figure out where I need this, I did have to remove a couple of the leaf litter guards right there. I'll put those back when I get done. But you're just going to grab one of these gutter guards, and I'll have a link for this one in the description. And then you're going to go ahead and begin screwing these in. And what this does is actually, again, puts a little barrier or blocker so that water won't rush over this gutter itself, but instead it will just stop it and hopefully run it along the gutter where it's supposed to go. Now it is nice because these gutter guards have pre-drilled holes, and they also come with self-tapping screws. If yours didn't, you will need to get the self-tapping screws so you can go through each of these sets of metal. I also recommend that you grab some type of magnetic nut driver because that will help you out a ton. The first time I did this on another video, I did not have one, but this one is the magnetic option, and it helped out a ton. As you can see right here, it grabs it and just went ahead and easily screws it in. So a couple reasons that you do want to have one of these is it will make sure that water does not run over your gutter right here. It does look a little dirty itself, so it's nice that it won't look that way. It's also good for your foundation. You don't want water going into your foundation for your house or even on your siding or anything like that. So being able to stop that water right here from this is a definitely good thing that you need to make sure that you're doing, because this will help all of those things and also help just the look of your house as well. Then once you put all the screws in, you can check and make sure it's in the exact location that you want. As you can see right here, this is exactly where I want mine, because all that water is going to come off of that gutter and then it's going to go right into this other gutter, and hopefully this splash guard right here is going to stop it and make sure it does that. Then I went ahead and put my leaf guard back on there just to make sure that it's prepped and ready and be able to protect my gutters. And here is just another shot of what it looks like. You can see over the top right there has the self-tapping screws in, and again, those all had the holes in there themselves. And you can see this is where the water is going to run out. Again, the speed is going to be coming from where that gutter is. So if you do need another guard, you can actually put one right next to it as well. But I think this one will do great for us right now. And then again, here is another side shot of just what that looks like. I think it looks nice, doesn't look too bad. It's definitely going to be super helpful for our situation. And here's another example of another splash guard that I installed a couple years ago. I have a video for that one if you're interested as well. But similar thing, you can see the speed it was picking up right there. And so this has just helped it make sure that it doesn't keep going and actually got onto our deck right here. But if you're seeing water running over your gutter somewhere on your house, like I showed you right here, or maybe it's in a valley somewhere in your house, like the other example that I had, whatever that might be, you can definitely install one of these splash guards. This is a super easy DIY project that most anyone can do. All you'll do is just grab one of these. Like I said, I have a link for it in the description down below. Grab one, you can install it yourself, and it should help out your house multiple different ways, so I highly recommend that you do this. But if this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. You can also check out another DIY video right here, and I will see you over there.